Arizona is naturally rich with minerals. However, this means that metals are one of the top pollutant groups in Arizona stream waters. In some areas of the state, metal impairments are compounded by legacy mine sites. Legacy mines are historic mine sites that have been inactive for decades and predate modern environmental regulation. Since 2018, the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality has conducted 9 cleanups near these historic mines, affecting 19 impaired waters. Investing nearly $9 million in these projects, remediation at these sites has improved water quality with reductions of up to 98% for some pollutants. These investments in water quality have restored local hydrology, reintroduced native vegetation, protected recreators, and enhanced wildlife habitat. At Hillside Mine, ADEQ addressed a discharging or leaking adit, old mine tailings, and dozens of open shafts. As a result, the nearby Boulder Creek is now meeting water quality standards for multiple pollutants. The native round-tailed chub has even returned to the creek. The 3R mine site is located in southern Arizona within the Patagonia Mountains, one of the state's most biologically diverse environments. A 558-foot deep open shaft was backfilled and plugged to protect public safety. The stream channel was lined with an innovative articulated concrete block technology to stabilize it for heavy storm events and protect the stream from heavy metals. New vegetation has grown in areas previously disturbed during remediation. Situated in the Bradshaw Mountains south of Prescott, Storm Cloud Mine is visible from public roads and is near several cabins. ADEQ remediated the site to regrade and cover waste rock and tailing piles left over from old mining operations. Corroded culverts were also replaced to better direct storm flows and prevent contamination of the nearby Hassayampa River. McKinley Mill is a legacy mine also near the Hassayampa River. Cleaning up this site was only made possible through our partnership with the private landowners. The biggest feature on the site was a half-acre waste rock pile at an extreme slope, which was an engineering challenge. The pile was regraded and covered, and a 200-foot-long gabion wall protects the stream from the pile. Private land value is also bolstered by cleanups, and landowners no longer have to worry about dangerous open shafts or contact with contaminated soil or water on their property. Legacy mines are also located on public land, like Eugene Mine. ADEQ coordinated with the U.S. Forest Service in 2021 to consolidate and cover the large waste rock piles that were contaminating Eugene Gulch during storm events. ADEQ conducts routine inspections to identify any maintenance needs to ensure the long-term sustainability of the remediation. So far, we've conducted cleanups at 9 legacy mine sites, with more planned in the coming years. Over time, Arizona's vital streams and surrounding habitats are visibly restored and preserved for the health, safety, and enjoyment of future generations.